What's up, folks? I'm doing a little bit of pond fishing. We just had a big old storm come through, so the water's all flooded. I've already fished for about 10 minutes, already caught 4. And I went back to my truck because lightning's bad. So hopefully I can catch some big ones for y'all. I've already caught 3 3-pounders, so we'll see. As y'all can see, it's got a lot of water coming over this dam. And like I said, I've already caught 4. Oh, there goes a big fish over there by that bird. They're munching, that's for sure. Oh, let's just probably catch one right here. Oh, I just saw one come up, not for my bait though. Seems like they're stacked right there. There's one. There's a good one. Oh boy, that's a good one. Pulling drag. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that, he's pulling drag. Oh boy, that's a 4.5, 5-pounder. Come on. There we go, that's a 4. Stop. There we go. There we go, right there. Oh. I'm keeping up with my best 5 today. And I honestly think I can catch at least 18 or 20 pounds today. Let's see how much he weighs. Stupid scale. Come on. There we go. Oh, 423. All right, that's a good first fish on the camera. I think I can catch 18 or 20. We'll see. Like, as you see, I have a 423, 224, 376, and a 335, and I already got 14 pounds. All right. Oh boy, that was bad lightning right there. There we go. Oh boy, there we go. That's a big one. Come here. Recording? Yeah. That's a big one. Ooh, 5-pounder. Or another 4 5-pounder. Stop. On the underspin. There we go. It's a 4.5. I hooked him good. Saw it roll over some grass and came up and ate it. He's 410. There we go. It's a good one right there. Yeah, I'm catching 18 or 20 pounds today. I already got for 5. I got 18.27. Told you. That's crazy. In a pond. Think about that, neighborhood pond. I got some more rain coming, so I need to watch out for that. I don't see no lightning in it, which is good. Got one. That was crazy. It broke off some vine and one came up and ate it. He's not gonna help. That's a small one. Stop. There's a little 1-pounder right there. All I'm doing is taking the same cast, paralleling in this rough water right here, and catching them. I haven't been able to catch them out in the middle at all. They've just been right here. Oh, there comes that wind. one more dam before this rain and then wait it out, I guess. So it looks like it's what's gonna happen. All right, gonna make this quick because lightning is like right above me. This spot looks even better. There's no way there's not a fish here. Come on. Bros, I know you're there. Oh, oh, finally. Oh, did you rip it? No. Don't do that for sure. I'm sure y'all see that lighting. I'm kind of worried about it. There he is. They're on the bottom. That's what they're doing. I was having the bait too high. Is that gonna help? No, I'm not even gonna weigh that one. He might help. No, he definitely won't help. Stop. Oh man, there's a little one right there. Pound and a halfer. That's all it is. They're just sitting on the bottom. All right, one more spot and I'm done for the day. Hopefully I get one of them five or 6 pounders or bigger. That'd be nice. All right, last spot. There's a bunch of pipes that run under right here. As you can see, there's dirty water coming in. Hopefully they can find this underspin. I'm not too sure about it. I think that's all the fishing I'm gonna do. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Just a quick little pond trip. Caught, what is it, 18 something? I caught 1887. That ain't bad for an hour and a half of pond fishing at all. Well, I hope y'all enjoy and remember to like and subscribe.